afternoon, everyone. This is Tony from Her Homestead Skills, and I just got back from shopping at the thrift stores, and for once I found quite a number of items that I liked. Sometimes you find nothing at all, and other times you hit the mother lode. I think this time I did quite well, so I came back with a number of items that I'm very pleased with, and I will show them to you right now. Okay, so I was at the thrift shop today and I spotted this perfectly pristine pasta maker. It looks like it's brand new. There isn't even a scratch on it that I can see. And it is one of the newer models, which has these little indents, crevices, to allow you to hook up a motor to this machine. My original one does not have that. And so it's also one of those fairly heavy models. It's made by the Mercado company under the name Atlas, and I believe mine is exactly the same in that sense, that the name brand is Atlas, but it is also made by the Mercado company, and a very good quality brand. These things sell for about $100. Now, this isn't for me. I picked this one up for my son because he mentioned to me that he was interested in getting the pasta rollers for his KitchenAid machine, and I suggested to him that he could either pay $200 for those pasta rollers for the KitchenAid, or he could spend $100 on one of these machines. And if he was willing to wait while I searched around for him, I might be able to get him one at the thrift store for much better cost. And so he said fine, he would wait and I should look around for him. And then I phoned him today and I said, yes, I spotted this one for $19. I've seen, $19.99, which is $20. I have seen them for as little as $10. And as high as $35, and this one is in such perfect shape that I felt that the $20 was a very fair price for this machine. So it also came, obviously, the clamp to hold it in place and the crank to hand crank and turn. And I tested, and every one of them seems to work fine. So the hand crank works there, the wheels turn, this one turns, that one works, everything seems to work, the adjustment works. I don't see any problem with this machine whatsoever, so I did pick it up for him and he's thrilled to have it. So it looks like my boy wants to make pasta, and I guess something's rubbing off. Okay, that's it for now. Okay, so part of my thrift store score this week, I picked up this nice little Lodge skillet. It's 5SK is the model number, and I believe that has something to do with the size. I already cleaned it before I filmed it, but I do have a couple of pictures of what it looked like before. It just had a bit of surface rust, but cleaned up beautifully, and quite happy with it. I may have paid just a tad too much for it, but still a whole lot less than what it costs brand new. So that, as well as I found a single ball jar with lid and ring. Yep, unused, for $1, and I'll pick these up anytime for that price. And as well as that single ball jar, I found a whole case of the 8-ounce, or what we call 250 ml jam jars, and completely unopened, so complete with lids and rings, for $6.99 at the thrift store. And that would regularly cost about $12 to $13 any place. So although I probably didn't need them, you can always use jam jars. So that's my thrift store buys for this week. As usual, we've got a little bit in the canning department, this beautiful little skillet, and that pasta machine for my son. Well, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. I do enjoy going to the thrift stores and sharing with you all the things that I find interesting. And anyway, hope you enjoyed it, and we'll catch you on the next one.